Alright, I want to solve this inequality. It says solve the inequality 4x minus 6 over 3, which is less than or equal to 3 plus 2x over 2. Now, the first thing to do here is to look for the LCM of the denominators. Solution. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So I will use 6 to multiply both sides of the inequality. So this is it. 6 times 4x minus 6 over 3, which is less than or equal to 6 times 3 plus 2x all over what? 2. 3 here is 1, 3 here is what? 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3. So we now have this. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. Less than or equal to 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2x is 6x. So now let's collect like terms. We have this 8x. 6x will cross and turn to minus 6x, less than or equal to 9. 12 will cross and turn to plus. So we have this 8x minus 6x is 2x, less than or equal to 9 plus 12 is 21. So we will now divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2. And so x is less than or equal to 21 over what? 2. This is the second question. I want to solve the inequality 2 plus 2x over 3 minus 2 greater than or equal to 4x minus 6 over 5. Alright, this is the same thing as saying 2 over 1. So the LCM of 3, 1, and 5 is 15. I'll use 15 to multiply both sides of the inequality. This is it. 15 times 2 plus 2x over 3 minus 15 times 2 greater than or equal to 15 times 4x minus 6 all over what? 5. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 5. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 3. So let's expand the bracket. We have this. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2x is 10x. 15 times 2 is 30 minus 30 greater than or equal to 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18. Okay, let's proceed. We have this. Okay, 10x. 10 minus 30 is minus 20. Greater than or equal to 12x minus 18. And so let's collect like terms now. We have 10x. If this 12x cross, it becomes minus 12x greater than or equal to, here we have minus 18. If minus 20 cross, it becomes plus 20. So 10x minus 12x is minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 18 plus 20 is 20 minus 18, and that is equal to 2. So what we'll do now is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. Now, if I am dividing by a negative number, the inequality will be reversed. This is it. Minus 2x over minus 2. Then I am dividing this by minus 2. Minus 2. The inequality will now be less than or equal to, because we are dividing by a negative number. So when you are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, that's an inequality, the inequality sign will change. Minus 2 cancels minus 2. So x is now less than or equal to minus 1. 2 divided by minus 2 is minus 1. So this is the solution to this inequality involving fraction. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next one.